morning. Just woke up. I've got my yogurt and I've got my tea here. I'm going to have some breakfast this morning. Got my tea. Yeah. You know the yogurt is good. It has lactic acid in it, and it's good for sloughing off the skin and keeping you from having scars, marks. Takes away dark marks underneath your eyes. If you have acne, it's good for that. It's excellent for that. And the green tea, when you drink it, it's good for taking out puffiness, and it's a natural antibacterial, and it also shrinks all types of puffiness around the eyes. So I'm going to have my yogurt, I'm going to have my green tea, and hopefully you'll enjoy it with me while you're here. So let's get it ready. My green tea. Okay. I get some of my yogurt. Yum, yum, yum. Add it in there. Ooh, isn't that nice? Green tea and yogurt. It's going to be deliciously beautifying. Like I said, the yogurt has lactic acid in it. Good for lightening the skin. Get rid of dark marks, circles, blemishes. And the green tea is an astringent. It helps you, let me get this one here. The green tea, it helps you close the pores, takes down puffiness. This is the perfect breakfast facial. And it's cooling if you take it out the refrigerator like I just did. That'll help take down some of that puffiness. When I say this feels good, when you take it off, these $50, $60, $80 facials you get in these excellent spas are nothing like this. Can't touch this. Can't touch it. You can welcome yourself here today to Fabulous Facial Fridays. I'll be doing this for the next 4 Fridays. I'll be doing a DIY facial for you to do at home with things you get right in your refrigerator that are healthy and nourishing for your skin. This is the yogurt and green tea facial. This is excellent for skin that has acne. I don't suffer from acne, but this is good for anti-aging. Excellent for your skin. Beautiful. Let me give you some tidbits on what these things do. Like I said, the green tea shrinks the pores, reduces puffiness around the eyes. I need to put a little bit more of that on because I'm so puffy in the morning, as you can see. And it's safe around your eye. Don't put it in your eye, but close to your eye. Could help shrink those pores and shrink that puffiness. Also, the lactic acid that's in the yogurt, it's good at lifting dark circles from around your eyes. It tightens your pores. It's antifungal. It also helps with acne. So if you got acne, you better jump on this yogurt here because it acts as an antibacterial by cleaning the skin, deep cleansing and exfoliating. And the other awful thing is the green tea shrinks your pores as well. So this is the perfect facial for when you want to do something sweet for your skin. Well, let me rinse it off, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got it all rinsed off. I'm going to take one of my cleansing wipes, just get off any extra residue. Look how nice that looks on my skin. Look at that. I could have kept on a little bit longer, but for demonstration purposes, this is it. Okay. That looks nice and cleansed. Look at that. Now I'm going to hit it with my saffron mist, which will be available in April. This is made with real saffron, the most expensive spice in the world. This is a great anti-aging mist. I did do a video about this, so go back and look at that. And next I'm going to hit it with my healthy skincare. This is my hyaluronic acid. We'll put this on the skin to close it up with. Put some up here, some here, some here. We'll gently rub this in. This is good for preventing wrinkles, And just keeping your skin nice and smooth. I could have left that on a little bit longer. I still have some puffiness, but I'm doing a video, so that's that. So we'll close it off with, let's see here. So you can see. Now this is my Hibiscus Kiss lip gloss. Okay. I'm looking cute. Okay, now, don't forget, yogurt and green tea. Thanks for watching. It's Cynthia from Third Day Soaps Garden, and welcome to the first series of Fabulous Facial Fridays with Natural Ingredients DIY from Third Day Soaps Garden. See you next week.